Hi, my name is Nyma and I'm the owner of Nurse Nyma Aesthetics, and I'm excited to announce that I'm the first TGA approved PRF Bio Filler provider right here in Wellington Point, Queensland. So PRF Bio Filler is using your own blood to assist with aesthetic concerns such as volume loss and to help regenerate certain areas of your skin. So I have introduced PRF Bio Filler into my clinic because it is 100% natural to you. It is made with your own blood and it uses the body's own natural healing mechanisms to not just mask symptoms but to regenerate certain areas of your face or body, as well as increasing the volume as well. So PRF Bio Filler differs from traditional dermal filler because there are no synthetics or additives or preservatives in the product itself. So it is 110% you. It is autologous, so therefore there are minimal risks associated and there's no product migration issues or what happens to that product when it is inserted, and your body just naturally metabolizes that while it is also regenerating at the same time. The ideal candidate for PRF Bio Filler is for those who are seeking ethical, natural results and are concerned with what they are putting in their body. So if you want to really go down the path of a natural solution that produces natural results, that works on regenerating the underlying condition while also assisting volume loss, then this would be an ideal treatment for you. So this treatment does contain risks and it is not ideal for those who are breastfeeding or for those who are pregnant, those that are on anticoagulation therapy or currently fighting an infection, for those with malignancies as well, and some other conditions. But for the vast majority of people, it is a suitable treatment. So after a thorough consultation with myself and a medical doctor, I will then take a small amount of blood from your arm. It's collected into tubes, and then those tubes are spun in a centrifuge. Then the plasma portion goes through a heating and cooling process. And then once I have created that albumin gel, I mix it with the regenerative PRF, and then I can inject that into areas of concern, whether that's the under eye area, the nasolabial folds, the marionette lines. It can be used virtually anywhere on the face, and it's usually well tolerated as well. So the results with PRF are gradual because it is a natural treatment. It does depend on what is recommended. You usually are recommended between 1 and 3, sometimes 4, sometimes you only need 2. Everyone is unique and it is a case-by-case basis. The product will accumulate over a period of time across a couple of weeks, and you tend to see the results after about the 30-day mark, and it will continue to build up until the 12-month period. You can pretty much say that by the 12-month period the product won't be there anymore, so that's when you'd need your maintenance treatment. So I'm excited to bring this into my clinic because it is a very safe and natural treatment. What I have experienced through consulting with people is that there is quite a bit of distrust in the product that people are injecting into clients. So because it is natural to you, there really is minimal risks associated. You don't have to worry about lumps, bumps, product migration. And the great thing is you don't need to worry generally about vascular occlusion, which is associated with dermal fillers, because there has not been a single vascular occlusion documented worldwide for PRF Bio Filler, which is fantastic.